And now you hear me yodel, 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 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, now I'm gonna teach you how to yodel just like me. It's easy when you're singing to go yodeling. First you take a deep breath, then you count in 1, 2, 3. And when you hear the yodel, you can listen close to me. This is how to yodel, yodelay-dee, yodelay-dee, yodelay-dee. This is how to yodel, yodelay-dee, yodelay-dee, yodelay-dee.
1, 2, 3.
What did you think?
Man, they did a great job. It was a hard week of lessons, and they had never yodeled before. They knocked me out. They both did a wonderful.
Well,
It's because they've got a good teacher. Please, what's it and give it up for Wiley Gustafson! That's right. Simon, come on down. Come and join us, guys. Oh, well done, Carol. That is tough. That really is tough. What's it been like practicing all week?
It's been absolutely crazy, I can't tell you.
wake
I've been
up to-
awake at 5 o'clock in the morning going...
Well done. Well done. You're very well. And Simon. What was this?
You were throwing some shapes around. You obviously worked on the yodeling, but you were working on the moves there. You must have been.
Yeah, well, I just wanted to make it entertaining for the crowd and everyone.
Yeah.
It's all about having a good time and having a good laugh, so I just thought I'll throw some moves in there.
Yeah. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Will you be taking up yodeling?
Yeah, I think I might become the first black yodeler in England.
You saw here first. You saw him here first, folks.
Right, it's time to find out what our audience thought. Remember, audience, use the buttons in front of you to vote for your favourite performer. Carol or Simon? Push your buttons now!
OK, the audience have voted, and I can reveal that the winner, with 100% of the vote, is Simon!
That is astonishing! Simon, 100% of the vote, which means you're going to take £10,000 off the Greenwoods. All you've got to do is push the button.
Commiserations, Carol. Commiserations. You tried your best, you really did. I didn't realise there were so many Simon fans in the audience. But well done. Thank you very much, Carol.
Let's hear it one more time. Carol and Simon! Well, let's find out what that's done to the totals. Ronnie?
It's all changed after an incredible performance from Simon. Now the Greenwoods are playing catch-up on 74,693. Out in front for the first time are the Fosters on 78,754.
That's the end of part 2, but don't go anywhere because when we come back, we'll find out tonight's winners after our teams get their teeth into this.
My mouth's watering already. See you in a few minutes.
Welcome back to... It's better. Welcome back to Push the Button. As you can see, we have slipped into something... Less comfortable.
Yeah.
We'll tell you why in just a moment.
But first, let's find out how the Greenwoods and the Fosters are doing via the medium of Ronnie Corbett.
Going into our final game, the Greenwoods are behind on 74,693. In the lead are the Fosters on 78,754.
And remember, the family with the most money at the end of the show will get the chance to win every pound of that total in the big finale. But before that, there's still another game to play. So it could still go either way.
It really could. OK, there are 2 players left on each team because our 4th game is always for 2 players. So, Danielle and Ian from the Greenwoods and Helen and Naomi from the Fosters, come up here and join us for a final family face-off. So, Danielle, Ian, you've been together 4 years, so you must work well as a team, do you?
We
Yes,
do,
yes.
You do. That's good because this is the last game, and you're behind at the moment, so you really need to catch up here. But it can be done. Okay, it can be done.
Okay.
All the pressure on you two,
I know, no pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure.
but I'm sure you're going to do well. Good
We'll
luck to
try
the pair
our
of you.
best.
Good luck.
Naomi and Helen, what about you two? Do you make a good team, mother and daughter?
Oh, definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
Do you argue quite a bit, you two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We love.
I love her.
Of course you do. Of course you do. But what kind of things do we argue about?
Boys.
Her boyfriends?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
What kind of boys do you go for?
Chavs, bad boys.
I see.
Inappropriate one.
Well, answer Chav, I'm a bad boy. I mean...
Hold on. Chav.
All right, let's have a look at the deciding game tonight. This is It'll End in Tears. Come with me.
For the final time tonight, here are the Push the Button guinea pigs to show you how it works.
The push-the-button bakers specialise in making the world's tallest wedding cake. Each team must race to build that cake using a set of cake layers and stands beside them. When they have added the final layer and the cake is stable, they can push the button to stop the cash counter.
And remember, this is the last game, so everything is riding on this one.
Now, Ian and Danielle, you need to do this quicker because the Fosters are in the lead.
Yeah.
OK, good luck to all 4 of you. The game starts when you push your buttons. Take your position. 3, 2, 1, push your buttons! Come on! OK, here we go. Come on, guys.
There you go, that's the first one.
Yeah.